This is 7 a.m. I'm here at the Shogran top in the -6 degree temperature, and this is so much pleasant, mashallah. And here is the way to top. Oh, what a beautiful view. Everyone is sleeping, I think. Or I'm sure about that. Everyone is sleeping right now in their hard rooms. मुझे जस्ट सर्दी लग रही है क्योंकि मेरे हाथ इस टाइम फ्रीज हो रहे हैं. अदरवाइज आई एम गुड. और जी हमारा होटल इस साइड पे है. ये है जी हमारा होटल शोग्रान का लालाजार. And I am going back to my room soon in few minutes. My shoes are completely wet, as you can see, and so my foot's also. You can check this mesmerizing view of sunset. Lalazar, Lalazar. Yesterday there was a snowfall which were around above 7 feet, and so here is the view, baby. Oh. अब मेरे हाथ हो चुके हैं बिल्कुल फ्रीज और मैं समझ नहीं आ रही है. और ये आ गया जी हमारा होटल. ये वाला नहीं, ये वाला. ये है जी लालाजार. इनफैक्ट अब मुझे गर्मी लग रही है, एक्सेप्ट माई हैंड्स. और ये है वो जीप जो हमें ऊपर लेके आई. Towards our hotel. You can check this front back door. Our back door is closed due to heavy snowfall last night. And this is our room. Balcony view. So baby, ये है जी. So sun has started setting. Masha. It is very nice view here. You will enjoy it when you'll be here.